is force exerted x direction. Okay, now simultaneously H star pressure is identified by taking the equation Ig divided by A into H bar plus H bar. Why I am taking this equation? Because this particular surface OB is considered as a vertical surface. Okay, therefore these equations are applicable. So since it is a vertical surface, Ig is nothing but BD cube divided by 12. Equate the values, you are going to get the value of H star as 2.633 meter from the free surface. Okay, so it will come somewhere here. So 2.33. So force Fx is acting at a distance how much? 2.633 from the free surface of liquid. Now you came to know what is the position of Fx. Okay, next you need to identify Fy. Fy is nothing but it is the vertical component. Vertical component, as I said, it is going to give you the weight of the element acting on this surface. Okay, the main purpose of calculating Fy is it will give you the weight of the element. So Fy is nothing but it is the weight of the water supported by AB up to free surface of liquid. So here, if this is the projected area of the curved surface, then the weight of AOCD is acting on this triangular portion. Okay, therefore identify. So this portion is like this. Fy is acting in vertical downward direction, which will give you the weight. So on this triangular portion, the portion of a rectangle, weight of a rectangle is going to exert pressure on a triangle. Okay, if you keep books one above another, the first book is going to pressure on second. So first, second book is going to exert pressure on third book simultaneously. So this is the triangular surface. Above that, there is a rectangular surface which is going to exert weight on the triangular surface. Therefore, you need to calculate what is the weight of this rectangle and the weight of triangle. Adding that, you will come to know what is the force exerting in y direction. Okay. So therefore, weight is nothing but weight of DAOC, this rectangular portion, plus weight of water AOB. Okay, because these two surfaces are different. So taking rho g into, so do you know how this equation came? So density is nothing but weight divided by volume. So therefore weight is nothing but rho into volume. Okay, so for specific weight, rho is multiplied by g. So this is rho g into volume of DAOC plus volume of AOB. Rho g terms are common, take it outside. Volume of DAOB. What is the volume of a rectangle? Volume, what is the volume of a rectangle?
Length into breadth and height.
Length into breadth into height. Okay. So in this particular problem, what is the length? Length is AD, breadth is AO. This is length, that is AD, breadth AO. Width is how much? It is given as unity, that is 1 meter. Simultaneously, for how we are going to identify the volume for a triangular portion? How we are going to identify the volume of a triangular portion? How we are going to identify volume? Volume is nothing but it is meter into meter into meter. Meter cube is nothing but it is the unit of a volume. Meter square is what? What is meter square? Meter square is a unit of what?
Area.
Area, ma'am.
Oh, area. Area multiplied by, so area is nothing but it is breadth into depth. Okay, and this is width. So area multiplied by the width will give you the volume of the triangle. What is area of a triangle? What is area of a triangle?
1/2 into B into H, ma'am.
Half a base into height. Width is how much? What is the width of the triangle they have given? What is width of this? Width is how much? What is the width of this?
1.
Width of the gate is how much? How much it is?
1, ma'am.
Okay. Area into width will give you the volume of AOB. So calculate, and the value of f of y is going to obtain it as a 60,249.1 Newton. So this is the force exerting in x and y direction.
1 meter, ma'am.
Width is 1 meter. Okay, thickness they have given it as a 1 meter. So the volume of triangle is identified by taking area into width. Since they have identified, asked you to calculate only the horizontal and vertical. Pardon? How much? Hello? 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 Okay, so here it is 1 meter. Since they have asked you to identify only horizontal and vertical component, they have asked you to calculate only the horizontal and vertical component. So this is the horizontal component and this is the vertical component. Understood? Is there any doubts in this?
No, ma'am.
My voice is audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So mark it as an important one. Most of the problems in this particular case is going to be asked on either inclined or on the curved surface. So next problems are very important. Please don't miss the class. So mark it as an important problem. Still many are there which are likely to be asked in the examination. So this is all for today. Let us meet in the next class. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.